Ay, so alis na tayo maya-maya. 2 hours ago, sunday na kami ng limousine. So, yan. Alis na tayo, punta tayo Manila. Yung bahay namin, interview. Go-computer sa labas. Tayo may go-computer. Okay, so, few more hours to go. We're leaving. So, my brother's watching Smosh video. Yeah. And a while ago, we were watching Mega Higa's video. So, that's about it. See you in the airport. I mean, see you in the limousine. Yeah, bye.
30 minutes before takeoff.
Hi. We are leaving. It's our pre-departure again. We're in the limousine. It's our house. It's just the two of us leaving, me and my brother. So we are in the limousine. This is Canada.
Okay, siya na text mo.
Alright. So it's 6:20. 6:20 in the evening, I guess, but there's still sun, as we know. Okay, so we're leaving now. I'm giving you at least a view for surroundings. So yeah, see you in the airport. There is the airfield, got Air Canada. There's the train, there's the Templeton station. Diyan ako bumababa pag nag-planes, but there's a runway, oh, kitang-kita. Oh, straight runway. Straight in runway. So now we are near the airport and it's 6:40 in the evening and the sun is still there. 6:40 in the evening, huh?
Yeah, airport naman oh.
YVR Airport. There's the Templeton. Here's the limo. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, we just entered the terminal. We're finding Philippine Airlines. Here. Ito na pala sa harap ko. Fiesta class. Oh, Fiesta class kami. Okay, stop ko muna. Mag-isa akong gamit, ha? Okay. Hey guys. So, time's up. It's 7:25. I don't know if you can see me, but it's kind of dark on my screen. So, it's 7:25 and there's still sun. As you may know, we're eating our food, dinner, before we check in. Because check-in counters will open around, they told us around 8, so might as well eat now and then. Okay, might as well eat now and then check in later. So yeah, because the food court's gonna close at 8:45 and I'm watching the Canucks, by the way, and they're losing right now. So the food court's gonna close at 8:45, so the line on the check-in is kind of long now, so we need to, but we're in the first, so I don't know, it might take some time. Excuse me? It might take some time because we'll be traveling alone, two of us. So yeah, see you at the check-in. Bye. Okay, we are now in line. We're second. So this is the first batch of passengers. That's what I'm telling the Canucks. They lose. Yeah. This is the big flight board. Yes, flight schedule. There's the counters for PAL. But the TV said.
What's under there? Go Western Go.
But the TV still shows Go Canucks Go. So later it will be PAL. Philippine Airlines. Okay, so
Let's
they're
go,
calling out. Oh,
Bumblebee.
yeah.
Let's go.
They'll be opening the counters. See?
Bumblebee.
Shut up. Hang on. Okay, see you later. So they are having a small meeting, all the check-in crews, and there's a sign there, PR 117. I don't know, it says PR 107, but On the other side is Pier 117. But it says counters open 3 hours bago mag-departure. So, of course, we are here way ahead on schedule. Like we arrived around 7:15 and yeah, it's now 8:10. So, there are the stuff. Here are the people taking in line. So, I think it's not a full flight, so yeah. Later.
Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go.
Okay, so my parents are gone. We just passed through the security at the back. Here's the gate. That's the way to the gate. And information center. Yeah. Let's go. Here's the connections at the back. Yeah. Oh, dyan tayo nag-ano. That's the arrival area, baggage claim. Yeah. Sorry if you have teary eyes. My parents are staying.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I have a heavy bag. Oh, this is nice. There's a walk-later at the back. I mean, on our front. Whatever. So, we are now here. And we're gone. We're crying. But, whatever. So, ito yung carousel, pero dun kami sa baba. Tapos, we're immigrants. Dito yung immigration ng mga tourists, I guess. So, kami, from there, dun kami nag-arrive, dun sa dulo dun. Pababa namin, we go straight down here, sa baba namin ngayon. Pero yung mga ibang, dito sila. So, yeah. Oh, there's a big screen right there. I can see, let me see if I can get you a spot. I mean, a view. Oh, no. We can't. But, whatever. So, there's may escalator dyan, then we went down, and then we went down there, then inside.
Tahimik rin dito, no?
Yeah, the airport's pretty tahimik.
Quiet.
So, we'll just walk straight to our gate, we'll find our gate, and then, yeah, we'll see you there. Bye-bye. So, we followed the sign, then we turned right, went straight to the
Then
previous
that's
clip,
the
then we
70.
turned right. Oh, this gate 70.
Yeah.
So, yeah, there's shopping centers here, food court, I saw an A&W, a restaurant.
So really,
On my front is, okay, so, yeah, there's our plane. Oh wait, I'll show you our plane. So, that's our plane. This is also the exact gate we went out nung dumating kami dito. So, that's the bridge. Diyan kami lumabas. Dito ako naglakad. Yung sinasabi kong, that was awesome. May nag-cockpit. I was in the cockpit. Oo nga, ayan. Naman na-realize ng kapatid ko. Then we went up there. So, the escalator there. May escalator. And then we went straight there. Straight walk. Until we reached the elevator. Then we went down, then immigration. So, kind of figure it out. So yeah, there's a Philippine Airlines. It's the gate. And it's just the two of us. There's a restroom that's pretty good. Yeah. Okay. That's about it. Okay guys, time check. 10:10 p.m. and less than an hour we'll be boarding. And I just posted the status on Facebook. See, it's just a few seconds ago. Yeah, and I just received a comment recently. So someone commented on my video. Yeah, I'll probably be replying him in Manila na kasi masyado ng and wow.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Look, I'm watching my own travel video. And look at the views. 1,082 and 13 likes. What? And no dislikes. And what? So, ang mga online ngayon, ito, friend kong Cuber dito sa Vancouver. Ito si John Drake. Cuber naman sa what the fuck? Bakit dumilim? Ayan, mga online sa akin ngayon. So, dumating na yung tito namin flight steward. Bamatendo kami kasi YP kami. Youth person, something traveling. So, ito yung view ng gate. Medyo diniliman na nila. Ayan, focus ko lang.
Okay, wait. Susundan na po na.
Diyan kami papasok. Diyan kami papasok. Oh, by the way, here's a Cathay Pacific plane. Teka lang. It's a Boeing 777-300 ER. So, yun na. Ganyan yung itsura nung namin when we arrived dito. Ganyan kami makyat sa escalator. Then dinagtag po. So, yeah. I'm still online. Yeah. Yeah. Killing time. So, here are all my posts. My brother. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys. Okay, by the way, to all my viewers, subscribers, fans, just kidding. To all the viewers out there, just want to make a plug on my website and my shop. The stocks just arrived last what's that? Monday? Yeah, Monday or Tuesday, I don't know. So 10:50. So here 50. So here's my shop. As you can see, you can visit it at www.pinoycubeshop.webs.com, or you can just simply type this pinoycubeshop.webs.com, and you can just go to the products. And when I arrive in Manila, I'll operate the shop. So this one's my main speed cube. It's the best. World record holder, you use that too. So there's a 5x5, 4x4. World record holder also uses this. 2x2, yeah. All my stuffs are world record holder. So here's more products. Cubesmith stickers, FMA, the one that for collection thingy. Yeah. There's a Rubik's Magic, and all at affordable. First and only cube shop in the Philippines with an affordable prices. Yeah. So basically, this is my shop, and I've worked hard for my website. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Someone messaged me, so. Oh yeah, so okay, so bye bye.
No one will know. Oh, come on, girl. Who cares if we're trash? Got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots.
Dude, our pilots just arrived, so there are four of them. Yeah, someone's talking to them. Probably just the purser. Yeah. Oh, so one pilot is familiar, but whatever. Yeah, I'm still on FB chat. I'm chatting with my friend here, so that's about it. Pilots just arrived at 10:20 p.m. Yeah, they should do the startup already on their engines, because the main man is coming. You know the main man? Me. So yeah, they just entered there. Yeah. Whatever. Okay.
Running the cancellation and your luggage will be offloaded.
We're boarding. We're the first one to board. It's 11:05. Delayed for 3 minutes. So, kami lang yung tanging batang nung una. Kasi YP kami, youth person something. So, yeah. Kami. Boarding the plane. We are the first. And makasabay namin mga lola. So, may mga mag-assist sa amin. Ipipirmahan something doon, pagdating doon. So, medyo may commotion.
I'm the youngest girl. I'm the youngest girl here. I'm the youngest girl. I'm the youngest girl.
We are boarding.
The youngest girl.
Yeah. Hanapin namin si Tito Max. Si Renjan Shea.
Nasa dulo.
So, stop muna.
I'm the youngest girl.
Video ulit. Okay, so we are going to see 69,000. So, 69.
69?
Opo.
Okay.
Dalawa po kasi yung pinili. Thank you po. Oh, muna ka muna.
Ay, kala.
Oo, sabi ko nga. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Okay. So, dito na tayo.
Saan mo tago?
Ocean.
CR, right?
So this is how the cabin looks like when there's no people and it's just us and the stewardess.
Si Tito Max?
Hanapin ko nga. Hanapin mo rin.
Baka sa pinakalikod-likod na.
Kaya nga eh.
Business class.
So this is the plane. Yep, sorry. It's too fast. Okay, okay. So view. Here's our personal key. You can't see our personal keys too. But you can see it from here. So yeah. And so nakita namin si Tito Max, kaibigan ni Papa. Yan. Nalagay ko po sa YouTube eh. Yan.
Yan ang progress na.
Wow! Sobrang cool!
Wow!
Wow!
Na kami natutulog.
Ay, dito po kayo natutulog?
Oo, dyan. Anak ko na ko yung picture dalawa dyan.
Sige po. O siya, yung cellphone mo na lang.
Ay, ang galing.
So, ito yung... Medyo madilim eh, pero... Para tayong nasa... Hall of Fame. What? So, nandito kami. Mayroon palang daan dun? Hanip!
Yeah.
Ah. Dali. Yes, Tito Max.
Gusto mo ilaw yung greeting lights dyan? Merong greeting lights para hiniwala.
Paano po kayo nagkakasya dito? Parang ang liit.
Yan, tingnan mo.
Oh my God, dilim.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Maraming kuha.
Ah, gawin na?
Mamaya sa piloto, subukan ko.
a patrol, and it's on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 and we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like I'm ready, 'cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do.
Okay, so yung saan tayo nagaling?
Sa tulugan ng... Ala, hindi ko na tawag dun sa dun.
So dun sa bandang taas. Ang haba, hanggang dun siguro yan. Basta hanggang dun sa may gitna, sa may exit stage. Tapos puro kama, puro talagan. Ganda, tapos may mga reading materials pa dun.
May mga
Grabe.
pockets.
Yeah, tapos ito, Eva Air outside. Yep, 747-400. Probably going to Taiwan.
Your dream bed.
Yeah, ganda, sobra. Yeah, pero, ano eh, lalagay ko naman yung pictures prior to this clip.
Pakita ko na.
Yeah. Huwag mo na, lalagay ko na prior to this clip eh. So, yun, medyo pinagpawisan kami sa init doon. Doon yung banda sa likod. Sa likod, doon. Sa kahilera ng dagat. Yeah. Okay, mamaya. Okay, go. Okay, so itong scenario pag hindi full flight kasi and is steward sa likod. Sinave kami na seat. Kasi ano, yung dalawang magkasunod na upuan na yan, amin na yung dami matutulog namin. May blanket na nga ako. Naka-ano doon so. Ano, nilatag na niya yung blanket. Yan yung pumupunta. Pwede ba dito hindi amin po yan? Kasi hindi naman sa likod. Yan, walang tao. Yan ang scenario. Kanina naglilipatan. Daming tao. Tayo. Kami dito muna. Take off. Ayan, mamaya. Oh, may sakyan. Yan si Manong dyan na siya. Sinereserve na rin niya. Nakalatag na kanina yun. Si Tito Max pa si Muno eh. Sabi niya, hindi dito kayo matulog mamaya. Tapos nilatag nila yung blanket.
Tapos lahat naglipatan.
Tapos natag Taiwan. Pwede ako doon, pwede ako doon. Dahil. Tapos, paano yun? Hindi na mamaya ulit. Bye-bye. Okay, push back na. On time na on time. 11:40. Kasi walang tao. Kaya madali mag-boarding ngayon habang sinasabi pangalan ng mga pilots. Sabi, Mel na, saan? Tapos sabi ko, sunod dyan, Paul Good. Tapos sabi niya, Paulso. Almost, ang galing. Probably, destiny ko talaga dito. Tanggalin ko lang this. Okay, so ito na yung... Yeah, you can watch that. I can link you in the description. There's a video on YouTube there. Okay, so bye!